Hello and welcome to this video on the benefits of running and jogging. If you're looking to get in shape, lose weight, or just lead a healthier lifestyle, running and jogging are two of the best activities you can engage in. In this video, we'll explore the numerous benefits of these activities and provide you with tips and strategies to help you get started. Let's start by exploring some of the key benefits of running and jogging. Improved cardiovascular health. One of the most significant benefits of running and jogging is improved cardiovascular health. These activities help to strengthen your heart, lungs, and blood vessels, which can lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. Running and jogging can also help to lower blood pressure and improve circulation, which can further improve your cardiovascular health. Weight loss. Running and jogging are also great for weight loss. They burn a lot of calories, which can help you lose weight and keep it off over the long term. Additionally, these activities can help to boost your metabolism, which can help you burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. Running and jogging can also help to reduce body fat, which can lead to a leaner and healthier body composition. Better mood. Another benefit of running and jogging is that they can improve your mood. These activities help to release endorphins in the brain, which are natural mood boosters. They can also help to reduce stress and anxiety, which can improve your overall mental health and well-being. In addition to endorphins, running and jogging can also stimulate the production of other neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which can further enhance your mood. Stronger bones. Running and jogging can also help to strengthen your bones. These activities put stress on your bones, which can stimulate the production of new bone tissue. This can help to prevent bone loss and reduce your risk of osteoporosis as you age. In addition to bone tissue production, running and jogging can also help to improve bone density, which can further enhance bone strength and durability. Better sleep. If you struggle with getting a good night's sleep, running and jogging may be able to help. These activities can help to improve your sleep quality and duration, which can lead to better overall health and well-being. Running and jogging can also help to regulate your sleep-wake cycle, which can improve your circadian rhythms and help you feel more alert and energized during the day. Improved cognitive function. Running and jogging can also help to improve your cognitive function. These activities have been shown to improve memory, attention, and other cognitive abilities, which can be especially important as you age. In addition to cognitive improvements, running and jogging can also enhance brain function by increasing blood flow to the brain and promoting the growth of new brain cells. If you're new to running and jogging, getting started can be a bit intimidating. Here are some tips to help you get started on the right foot. Start slowly. One of the biggest mistakes that new runners make is trying to do too much too soon. If you're just starting out, it's important to start slowly and gradually build up your endurance over time. This will help to prevent injury and make the experience more enjoyable. Start by jogging or running for just a few minutes at a time and gradually increase the amount of time you spend running each day or week. Wear the right gear. Having the right gear can make a big difference when it comes to running and jogging. Make sure you have a good pair of running shoes that fit well and provide the support and cushioning you need. You may also want to invest in other gear, such as comfortable and breathable clothing, a hydration pack or water bottle, and a fitness tracker or GPS watch. Set realistic goals. Setting goals can help to keep you motivated and on track as you begin your running or jogging journey. However, it's important to set realistic goals that are achievable based on your current fitness level and schedule. Start by setting small goals, such as running for a certain amount of time or distance, and gradually increase your goals as you improve your fitness level. Mix up your routine. Running and jogging can be repetitive, so it's important to mix up your routine to keep things interesting and challenging. Try running on different terrain, such as hills or trails, or incorporating intervals or speed work into your routine. You can also try running with a friend or joining a running group to make the experience more social and enjoyable. Listen to your body. It's important to listen to your body when running or jogging. If you experience pain or discomfort, slow down or stop and take a break. Make sure to stretch before and after your run or jog, and consider incorporating strength training or cross-training exercises into your routine to help prevent injury. In conclusion, the benefits of running and jogging are numerous and varied, making them two of the best physical activities you can engage in for overall health and well-being. One of the most significant benefits of running and jogging is their positive impact on cardiovascular health. These activities can improve the health and efficiency of your heart and lungs, leading to a decreased risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. In addition to cardiovascular health, running and jogging can also help with weight loss and weight management. These activities burn a significant amount of calories, making them an excellent way to lose or maintain weight. Furthermore, regular exercise has been shown to increase metabolism, which can help you burn more calories throughout the day. Running and jogging are also excellent for mental health and can help improve mood and reduce stress and anxiety. These activities release endorphins, which are the body's natural mood-boosting chemicals. Additionally, the social aspect of running and jogging, such as participating in group runs or races, can provide a sense of community and support that can further boost mood and well-being. Other benefits of running and jogging include improved bone density, better sleep, and enhanced cognitive function. Running and jogging put stress on the bones, which can help strengthen them over time, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions. Better sleep is also a significant benefit, as regular exercise can improve sleep quality and help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Finally, running and jogging have been shown to enhance cognitive function, including memory, attention, and decision-making skills. When starting a running or jogging routine, it's important to begin slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. Additionally, investing in the right gear and setting realistic goals can help keep you motivated and on track. Running and jogging are two of the best physical activities you can engage in for overall health and well-being. They offer numerous benefits, including improved cardiovascular health, weight loss, better mood, stronger bones, better sleep, and enhanced cognitive function. By starting slowly and gradually building up your endurance, investing in the right gear, and setting realistic goals, you can experience the many benefits of running and jogging for yourself. It's important to note that running and jogging may not be suitable for everyone. People with certain medical conditions, such as asthma or arthritis, may need to consult with their healthcare provider before beginning a running or jogging routine. Additionally, those who are overweight or obese may need to start with low-impact exercises, such as walking or swimming, before transitioning to running or jogging. It's also important to practice proper form and technique when running or jogging to reduce the risk of injury. This includes keeping your shoulders relaxed, landing on the middle of your foot rather than your heel, and keeping your knees slightly bent. If you found this information helpful and informative, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. By subscribing, you'll be notified when new videos are posted, ensuring that you never miss out on valuable information about running, jogging, and other topics related to health and fitness. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.